I'm Mrs. Johnson. I teach students with different learning needs, different confidence levels, and very different starting points. And if you've been in a classroom lately, you know the real challenge isn't just teaching content. It's helping every student progress without spending your nights buried in data and worksheets.
Mrs. Johnson, I did fine in class, but when I get home, I forget what to do first.
I'm good at the easy stuff. But then it gets hard and my brain goes, nope.
That's why I'm excited about ZillyPlanet, because it was built to support teachers as a supplemental tool, not replace what we do. What stands out to me is that ZillyPlanet isn't something made in isolation. They've been working directly with teachers, people who've been in the classroom and are still teaching, building tools that reflect what actually happens with real students. It feels like a platform designed with teacher reality in mind. For students, learning happens through immersive missions and challenges, designed to build critical thinking. It's engaging, but learning-focused, not distracting, not just points and noise.
Okay, it's like a puzzle mission.
Yeah, but it reminds you first. Watch!
Students get short, timely lessons that remind them what they've learned before they jump into mastery. And they can explore those ideas in interactive MathLabs, where they test strategies and see what actually works. So they're supported without being spoon-fed. It personalizes missions based on student interests. When a student chooses animals, the scenarios feel real: planning food, measuring habitats, solving rescue-style challenges. That context matters. Students don't just answer questions, they understand why the math works and where it shows up in life.
Mine is saving a space station. That's actually cool.
I'm helping the animals. I can do this.
One of the biggest instructional strengths is how ZillyPlanet supports real differentiation. In a classroom, you can't always teach every strategy to every student. But in MathLabs, students can explore different approaches, test what works for them, and build understanding in their own way. Instead of practicing one skill and moving on, ZillyPlanet mixes questions intentionally, so students retrieve prior learning, connect concepts, and show they can use skills together.
Wait, this is like the one from yesterday, except different.
You have to use both.
Oh, I actually know it.
So instead of forcing one method, students discover the strategy that actually makes sense to them. Accessibility matters, because if students can't access the learning, they can't show what they know. ZillyPlanet is building with accessibility in mind, so more learners can participate meaningfully, especially in mixed ability classrooms. Now, what makes this powerful for teachers is the Educator Portal. You can customize learning paths for different groups of students. So if one group needs foundational support and another is ready for extension, you're not forcing a one-size-fits-all track. Abella can get reinforcement where she needs it, without feeling singled out. Finn can be challenged in the right way, without skipping the thinking. Reporting is simplified into heat maps, easy to read, easy to act on. You can see gaps in competencies and decide what to do next, quickly. And the reports are consistent. They follow the same structure, so you don't have to relearn a new report every time you click. Less time decoding data, more time teaching. ZillyPlanet is also designed around what families say they need. Real guidance, not just scores. So it supports the school-home connection, clearer insight into what students can do, where they struggle, and how to help next, without overwhelm.
Can I show my mom what I learned? It explains it better.
Math is first. Science is being developed now. Engineering and technology are planned next. Right now, ZillyPlanet is looking for teachers to beta the program for the 2026 to 2027 school year. If you join, you get the full program, free, for you and your students for the year. All they ask is monthly feedback so they can keep improving it for teachers, for parents, and for students.
Tomorrow I'm doing the space mission again.
I'm doing the animal one. Race you, but like learning race.
If you're the kind of teacher who wants a supplemental tool that supports differentiated learning and gives you clear, actionable insight, this is worth a look.